In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make FaceTime calls using your email on your iPhone. This is a great way to connect with friends and family using just an email address, especially if you're not looking to share your phone number. So, let's get started with the step-by-step process. To begin, you'll want to ensure that your email is linked to your FaceTime account. This is crucial because FaceTime can use your email as a point of contact instead of your phone number. Start by navigating to the Settings app on your iPhone. Once there, scroll down and tap on Apps, then select FaceTime. In the FaceTime settings, look for the section labelled "You can be reached by FaceTime at." Here, you should see a list of all the email addresses linked to your FaceTime account. If the email you want to use isn't listed, don't worry. You can easily add it by tapping on Add Another Email and then entering the desired email address. Next, you need to make sure that FaceTime is activated on your device. In the same FaceTime settings menu, check that the FaceTime feature is turned on. If it's currently off, you'll see a toggle switch that you can easily flip to enable it. It's a simple switch, but without it, you won't be able to place or receive any FaceTime calls. Now that you've set everything up, it's time to initiate a call using your email address. Open the FaceTime app, which is usually located on your home screen. Once inside the app, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the button labelled New FaceTime. Tap this to begin a new call. Instead of the usual way of entering a phone number, you'll want to type in the email address of the person you wish to call. You might see the email pop up as a suggestion from your contact list, which you can simply select, or you can choose to enter it manually if it's not saved. Finally, with the email address entered, you will be presented with the option to start either a video or an audio call. If you're in the mood for a video chat, tap the video camera icon. For an audio call, select the phone icon, and just like that, your FaceTime call should be initiated using your email address. There you have it, you've successfully learned how to make FaceTime calls using an email on your iPhone. This method is perfect for those situations where you prefer not to give out your phone number, or if you're calling someone internationally without incurring extra phone charges. Thanks for watching, and happy FaceTiming.